Hey guys, how are you doing? So today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to download a modded version of the game Pokemon TCG Pocket. So this will give you unlimited Pokegold. So let me just open it up right here. So as you can see, I've only got 2,890. But when I press this button, it brings up a mod menu and I can actually get unlimited Pokegold. So I'm going to turn this up all the way. So let's see if it starts increasing. And then I'm going to show you guys how to download this Pokemon TCG Pocket Unlimited Pokegold mod. So let's just give it a second for this to load up, just so you guys can see like it actually works. And then I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So as you can see guys, there goes the Pokegold into the moon. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this for your device. So it works on iOS, Android. So let's get straight into the guide. So the first thing we're going to do guys is go to our browser, and we literally just need to go to this website guys, which is called matrixmods.com. So on this website guys, we need to go to the search bar and type in Pokemon until you see Pokemon TCG Pocket. So go ahead and press on it, press download, and before it downloads, it's going to be a verification. So we got to download 2 apps, follow the instructions, and then the Pokemon TCG Pocket mod will be installed in our phone and we can get unlimited Pokegold. So I'm just going to wait for this to load. As you can see, so at the end guys, you can see it says like almost there, additional files required. So this is where we have to download 2 of these apps to get the Pokemon TCG Pocket mod. So for instance, we have Mode Casino. Family Island says reach level 11, so it's like a game. So I just got to play through this until I reach level 11. Then go back to the list. We got Travel Town. This one's like download and reach level 9. So it's another game. So I just press on it and then go to the App Store, and I just got to play through this. So that's pretty easy. I think the games are the best ones to do because all you have to do is run it and do some like basic interactions and you should be all set. So I'm going to see you guys later, but there you go guys. Unlimited Pokegold 2026. So I'm going to see you guys later, but that's how to get the Pokemon TCG Pocket modded version for your device. So it's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, I mean, if you ever played Pokemon TCG Pocket and you had no Pokegolds, you're going to love this, guys, because you can literally get unlimited Pokegold using this mod. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos about Pokemon TCG Pocket and how to get unlimited Pokegold. So yeah, this is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, definitely subscribe to the channel because this actually works. You know, I've done a little bit of research and this is super amazing. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos about Pokemon TCG Pocket. I don't have any problem making them, but yeah, I'm going to see you guys in another video. So peace out, my gang.